Hi, this is Laszlo with Dirtbox Off-Roading. Today we are heading again to 5 Mile Pass. It is pretty early in the morning, but today is nice and warm, probably going to be in the mid-40s. So it's not snow wheeling anymore, it's probably mud wheeling. We're going to have some fun. Today I'm in a different rig. I'm no longer in Astrid. Astrid will be with my girlfriend Sabrina, and she's actually driving in front of me. And I am in Blue Regard Q Kazoo, one of my favorite cartoon characters from growing up, from Foster's Imaginary Friends. Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, actually. So this rig finally got it running. Well, it was running, but it had some issues, little leaks here and there. It is a 91 4Runner, manual transmission, and she's got about a little over 300,000 miles on her, and she runs like a champ. Love this thing. Thanks to Gabe. I'd like to thank Gabe, one of our friends at Rocky Mountain Off-Road. He sold me this car. Thing has been fantastic. He needed something a little bigger to off-road with his family, so he got himself a Chevy Tahoe, and currently he's working on that one. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Thanks, guys. Are here at the location where radio checked in, and we're about to roll out, cruise on into 5 Mile, and we're gonna find some places to get stuck. Gotta say, guys, first time driving a stick while trying to video is quite a challenge when you're off-road, but hopefully I could do you guys justice on all the fun things that we do. I'm fixing vacuum line with the ratchet. Alright guys, I'm gonna send it up the right side.
Oh, he got me in the forehead. Oh, I knew it. That's why. That's why.
Man, I wish I would have had that on.